Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. And, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will take you through the unboxing process of the remote-controlled turbo racer car, explore its features, and dive into an honest review of its performance. This turbo racer remote control car features a sleek and captivating design. This turbo racer car also features a 1/14 scale radio control. This RC car requires 6 batteries of 1.5 volts and size AA to operate. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
This turbo racer remote control car comes with a remote control of 27 MHz frequency and a very flexible antenna. This remote control has easy-to-use control sticks for your RC car and has a simple design. It is sleek and ergonomic, perfectly fitting in the palm of your hand. You will need to purchase and install one 9-volt battery, Type 6F22, in the remote control. This turbo racer remote control car has a sporty design. Its tires are designed specifically for smooth and flat surfaces. This remote control car uses 6 batteries of 1.5 volts and size AA. It is important to note that the use of 6 batteries increases the car's weight and impacts its speed. You can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch at the bottom of this RC car. This remote-controlled car also has a very flexible antenna. Let's now give this turbo racer car a test drive. Are you ready, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, I encourage you to check out my other videos for more exciting content like this.